That's your big sister. That's your big sister.
Baby Tanner smells good.
Oh, he smells good. He got a bath. Why did he have a bath? Did he have a huge poop today?
Yeah.
Hi, Tanner. Are you talking to us? Are you with your big sister? So I am starting today's vlog off in the kitchen. I'm doing some meal prep today. So I am making some turkey burgers. I'm adding in some veggies because if you guys watch my food videos, y'all know that I love to sneak veggies into my meals. So I'm making some turkey burgers and listening to some 90s music. So we're just having a chill day and have a few errands to do. So I'll take you guys along with whatever I can. Okay, so I'm just gonna get to meal prepping. Sawyer's napping, Tanner's napping, and Scarlett is occupied. Well, Tanner is not napping now, he's awake. So let's see. Tan, you wanna say hi? Say hi, Tan. Say hi. Handsome boy. Scarlett, can you say hi?
Hi.
Okay, she's busy. So yeah, we're jamming out to some 90s music. Backstreet Boys are on right now. I was never really a Backstreet Boys fan. I think I liked 98 Degrees out of all of the boy bands. So let me know what boy band you guys were crazy over. Actually, take that back. My all-time favorite boy band is New Kids on the Block. I have older siblings, so my sister is 16 years older than me and my brother is 8 years older than me, so I grew up listening to New Kids on the Block. So that is my boy band of choice. So let me know if you guys are also New Kids on the Block. Sneak peek of what I'm making. I'm making turkey burgers. So what I did is I threw in some onions, celery, and bell pepper, and then I did half a packet of this Montreal steak seasoning, and then I'm also going to add in some, wow, my fridge is like a disaster. Oh my god. Okay. Now I'm looking for the garlic because I want to add in some garlic into, here we go. I want to add some garlic into my turkey burgers as well. So I never do like actual real garlic. I just do the chopped garlic in the jar. It saves so much time. So I'm just going to throw some of this in it as well. And then I'm just going to let the marinade soak for probably about, sorry about the, so I'm just gonna add a little bit into my mixture. Just gonna eyeball it. I like my food very flavorful, if you guys haven't noticed. So I'm just gonna mix it all together and then I'm gonna add this into a Ziploc bag and just let it marinate in the fridge for a little bit. And then I'll go ahead and form them into patties when I'm about ready to cook them. But I love throwing veggies into my meat. If you're on Weight Watchers, you can have as many veggies as you want. So yeah, that's what I do. My husband, if he had it his way, he probably would opt to not have veggies in burgers, but you know, part of my job as his wife is making sure that he is taken care of health-wise. So he's gonna eat what I make him because that is the rule in this house. So if you don't want to eat what I'm cooking, then you can cook for yourself or you can go and pick something up for dinner that's separate. So that's the rule in our house. If you don't eat what mom cooks, then make something else. Jump, jump. Jump, jump. Jump, jump. And Scarlett has informed me that she made a cake for me. This is a beautiful cake. Thank you.
You're welcome.
But Mommy's birthday isn't until April.
Yeah.
Is this my because cake?
Yeah.
This was really, really great, Scarlett. I loved your imagination here. And you actually put popsicles on it? Wow.
And blocks.
And blocks? That's an awesome cake. Hey, Scarlett, can you be a big sister and keep an eye on Tanner while Mommy cleans up the dishes?
Mm-hmm.
Thank you, sweet girl. Thank you. Alright, so I just stopped at my P.O. box. If you guys didn't know, I do have a P.O. box. I'll have my mailing address below if you guys ever want to send me letters. I love getting your letters so much. So today we have 3. So we have 2 from my MVP, Vicky Fellers. She always sends me coupons. And we also have one from Wesley McVie from Evansville, Indiana. So I'm excited to see what's in here too. So I'm gonna open these letters up at my doctor's appointment because opening up coupons will make the doctor suck less. And I got my iced coffee. I always get a venti iced coffee, extra half and half, sugar-free vanilla sweetener, easy ice. You guys, if you guys are not ordering easy ice in your Starbucks drinks, you seriously need to, because you're getting less coffee if you add in the regular ice or extra ice. So do easy ice. Okay, this is real life, guys. I am in the waiting room waiting for my doctor in a gown, editing my Shop With Me and Dollar Tree video. This is real life, guys. This is real life. Shameless plug, check out my Shop With Me Dollar Tree haul if you guys, or Shop With Me Dollar Tree video if you haven't seen it. But yeah, I am currently in the gynecologist's office waiting for the doc. And I'm sitting in the doctor's chair. I'm a rebel. I'm sitting in the doctor's chair. No